Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you can download Landsat imagery using Google Earth Engine with scripting. Okay, I will the platform I will choose Chat GPT to write a code. Okay, just follow my steps. Open Chat GPT. Write. I want to download the Landsat 9 FCC image all bands of Delhi for the month of July 25 in Google Earth Engine. Copy. Just paste. And what we have here is it will show you it will write a code for you. Okay, you have to just copy. Okay, copy and now search Google Earth Engine. If you don't have a account on Google Earth Engine, then go and make a account on Google Earth Engine and click on platform code editor. Now what you can do is just paste the code. Wait a minute. Copy, copy here. Okay, mention here everything. But you can change or add. You can change, ठीक है, filter date, year, ठीक है, study area, lunch at 8 or 9, whatever you want to add. Okay, just click on this. I already made it. I'm just making my video for you guys. So let's set it practice. See, I have already code. Just save this code here. Run. Here is all bands you have. Okay, task. Go to the task. What you can do is uncheck, uncheck. We have to download satellite image with which have all bands. Okay, just click on setting. We have to make FCC here 543. Go to the custom, stretch 100%, then apply, close. Here is your image. Okay, the whole image. Perfect. Just click on this run. Okay, task name ye. You can mention names here and make a folder. It's already given. GEE exports, Google Earth Engine exports. Okay, run. I have already downloaded for you. Okay, the task is running. What we can do here, I have already downloaded the satellite image. Now open ArcGIS, ArcGIS here. Wait, uh, if you downloaded the image, so where will this image will be downloaded? Tab, go to the drive, है ना? My drive. So you can found here also. Delhi Landsat 9 image. Just click here and download it here. Okay, just click. Scanning is virus. Okay, now go to the ArcGIS. Where is the image? Here is my image. Just click, drag. It will show you this, but don't worry. You don't need to worry about this. Properties. Okay. Band, change band. 5, 4, 3. Already 3. Just percentile. Percentile. Click. Apply. Okay. Here is your image. Guys, don't worry. You have to just follow the steps what I have done in this video. If you if you have some errors, some problem, just share it with me. You can see my YouTube channel. I always comment on every comments. I will reply every comments on every comments. Okay, here is your image. Now you can do analysis on your satellite image. This is the simplest way. I hope you found this video good.